to 10.
5.
What is good at YouTube? It's your boy Malachi LA, aka Mally Van, aka Light Skin Mally, aka Light Skin Honey Bun. Back with another YouTube video, And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Welcome to the Mally family, feel me? Make a bunch of videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah. Yo, what's goody?
What's up?
You got time real quick? Just have a question, quick question. Alright, so you gotta be honest, but I know I'm ugly and all, but like, what would you rate me from 1 to 10?
A 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
No, why? Yo, everyone's rating.
Can you do 4 fingers in your forehead?
What?
You have a forehead.
Yeah, it's big, right? I know.
Yeah, super.
Damn! How y'all doing? Can y'all add time real quick? I have a question. Quick question.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Alright, so what would you guys all rate me from 1 to 10? I know I'm ugly, but like, what would y'all rate me from 1 to 10? All 4 of y'all.
Okay, so what do you rate him? Wait, out of 4? Out of 4?
No, out of 10. I know I'm ugly, but like, just rate me up 1 to 10.
I would say 8.
An 8?
I say 6.
A 6?
7.
A 7? Oh god, this is so bad. This is so bad out here, yo. I'm getting 6s and 7s, bro. I'm not doing good right now. Alright, monkey. Come on, monkey. Katie, she's 16 from the United States. It's good, Katie. Can't hear you. Oh, okay. Alright, I got a quick question. You gotta be honest though. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
1 to 7?
Nah, 1 to 10.
A 9.5.
9.5? Hey, that's what's up. Thank you.
Alright.
Hey, I got a 9.5. Let's go. Told you, man. I'm taking these real quick. Bro. I'm taking these. I got this. Yo, what's goody? You got add time real quick? Oh. Yeah. Oh, so I was wondering if you could rate me from 1 to 10, and you gotta be honest. I don't know, I'm just asking, like, something.
Look at you got braces!
Yeah. Just from 1 to 10. You gotta be honest, though. A 10? That's what's up, thank you. I'm gonna follow you back. Hey. Real quick. I have a quick question. That's all.
Answer it out.
Just add time.
Hurry up!
Alright, thank you. That's what's up. Let's go.
I got you, bro. I got you.
That's what's up. Alright.
Alright.
I know I'm ugly, but like, what would you rate me from 1 to 10? That's it. That's all I'm asking. That's all.
What would I rate you?
Yeah, from 1 to 10.
5. Yeah. I know. I'm sorry.
You serious?
I wasn't expecting.
Wow, that was really it, man. Cause you already gave me a 5, so I'm automatically ugly. I'm automatically ugly for you, like, damn.
You said stop, Johnny. Don't add 1 time.
Wow, that's crazy.
Stop being butthurt. You'll live. Alright?
You gave me a 5 though. You gave me a 5.
It's not urgent. You'll find a girl. Don't worry. Alright?
I know. Thank you.
You'll find a girl.
Thank you. Yo, what the heck, bro? Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Ew. Alright, y'all, that would do it for the video. Obviously, it was good and bad. I got 10s, 5s, 7s, 8s, 9s. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all want to see more, I want to see 20 likes. 20 likes, and I'll do another video. And, I know, 20 likes seems like a small amount, but if you get 20 likes, I'll do another video. And anyway, enjoy y'all day. And Melly Bands is out!
They tryna be crack.